Health benefits of Quran memorization for older men. In Islam, the memorization of the Quran, known as hifz, is a revered act of worship. But beyond its spiritual rewards, could it also offer tangible health benefits? To explore this question, the researchers designed a cross-sectional study focusing on 400 men aged 55 and above, all residents of Buraida. These participants were recruited from various mosques across the city, representing a broad spectrum of the local population. Participants underwent health assessments, including measurements of blood pressure, blood glucose levels, and depression screening. They also completed questionnaires to provide insights into their lifestyle habits and the extent of their Quran memorization. The findings were nothing short of remarkable. The study revealed a strong association between Quran memorization and a lower prevalence of hypertension, diabetes, and depression. Older men who had memorized 10 or more sections of the Quran were 64% less likely to suffer from hypertension, 71% less likely to have diabetes, and 81% less likely to experience depression. These results suggest that Quran memorization could serve as a protective factor against these chronic conditions. But what could be driving these impressive health benefits? The study didn't delve into the exact mechanisms, but several hypotheses can be drawn. Firstly, the mental and cognitive exercises involved in Quran memorization may help maintain brain health and reduce stress. This, in turn, could lower the risk of hypertension and depression. Additionally, the spiritual satisfaction and sense of purpose derived from memorizing the Quran may foster better mental health and resilience. Furthermore, regular engagement in religious practices like Quran memorization often brings about a strong sense of community and social support, both of which are known to have positive effects on overall health. While these findings are promising, it's important to note that the study was cross-sectional, meaning it can only show associations, not causality. To truly understand whether Quran memorization directly contributes to lower disease rates, more research is needed. Future studies should explore this relationship over time and in different cultural and demographic settings. Understanding the physiological and psychological mechanisms at play could lead to new insights into how religious practices can be integrated into holistic health strategies. This study is a pioneering step in understanding how the sacred act of Quran memorization can contribute to the physical and mental well-being of older adults. As we face the growing burden of chronic diseases worldwide, the potential for integrating spiritual practices into healthcare looks increasingly promising. In the intersection of faith and health, practices like Quran memorization may hold the key to a healthier, more fulfilling life. As researchers continue to explore these connections, we move closer to a future where spiritual and physical health are harmoniously intertwined. Exploring the health benefits of spiritual practices can lead to a deeper understanding of well-being. Stay tuned for more insights into the intersection of faith and health. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.